My God, I'm so excited today. I was actually singing this song yesterday and didn't know that Leg even sent it to me. I'm so excited, motivated, my work. This is one of my favorite songs ever since I was a kid. Well, I'm just saying hello to people and to let you know I'm doing pretty good. Oh my God, I feel like I'm back to Kakua now. While I'm doing my work, if you're out there wanting your clothes done, come find me. See my work there? Yep. Thank you so much, Tito Leg. And if you have more of this album, oh my God, this is going to make my day and it will always motivate me. Of course, I miss church, but unfortunately, I can't at the moment. Saying hello, everybody. My sewing. This is my work anyway. I love it so much, and it just motivates me. Sometimes I even go to bed maybe like at 3 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., sleep for 3 hours, and I'm motivated. Thank you very much. Wechakale.